Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to add products to Shopify or AliExpress. To start, open your internet browser and then log on to myshopify.com. Once you're now here, head on over to Shopify App Store and then search for the following DSERS. Then in here, look for DSERS by AliExpress Drop Shipping and then tap on the button that says Add App. You'll now be redirected to another tab. Wait for the other tab to finish loading. Once it has loaded, it should be here. The next step to do is to click on Install App. If you do not have an account for DSERS.com, all you have to do this time is to register for an account. So go ahead, click on the button that says Register Account. Then in here, select a plan to continue. For this tutorial purposes, I am going to be using the basic or free. I'll tap on Get Started. In here, scroll down and then look for the button that says Authorize. In here, click on the button that says Let's Start Importing Products. Then on the pop-ups, just click on Next until you get to the final step. In here, click on OK. Then tap on Next again. Once you are now in DSERS, the next step right now is to get your free trial if you are not yet convinced to use it. Then on the website, click on any product that catches your eye. Then in here, click on Add to Cart, or you could also select Buy Now. Then in here, select the store, which should be Build, and then click on Activate once you have chosen. Then when it says Product Imported, go to Import List to check. Once you are now here, click on the product that is about to be imported. Then in here, click on the button that says Push to Shopify. Now head on over to your My Shopify tab. On the left corner, head on over to Products. And then over at Products, you should see over here those that you have checked out from DSERS. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.